Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia C. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So today's video, I am going to create a green eyeshadow look for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this video, please continue to watch. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Oh guys, and before we get into this video, please stay to the end because I have a bonus. I'm going to show you guys my outfit that I put together for this look right here. So let's go. Alright guys, so I already did my brows off camera. And I used this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and I applied it on my eyelids and I blended out. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline City Bronzer Contour Powder in 300. And I'm just going to use this as a transition color. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Mint Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to take this green right here and it's called Poison Ivy.
That is amazing. Wow. Like, oh my God.
Ooh, I like this green.
But it's a yeah.
Love is eternal, eternally, 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 nothing for eternity. So now we're gonna go in with this Real Technique blending brush right here, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. Okay guys, so you can see there's like fallouts from the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the Equate wipes right here and I'm just gonna wipe out the fallout. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Nourishing Facial Oil and I'm just gonna apply that on my face. And massage it into my skin. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to my face, and from here I'm not gonna say what I'm using because if you watch my videos I'll be using the same products over and over again. I don't really change my product. I stick to what works for me, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna leave the eyelash on a little bit so the glue can dry, and then I'm gonna press it together. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this brown lip pencil right here. And I'm just gonna press down the eyelash now because I think by now the glue is tacky. So for my lips, I will be using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Lace Detail. Now I'm going to go back in my Makeup Forever palette and I'm going to take the same Poison Ivy color. What the hell did I do? What did I do?
Seriously.
I don't think I should have added this green under my eyes, you know. So I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss in the middle. And the gloss that I use is just a clear lip gel by Nicka K.
Hey guys, my name is Jamar. I'm basically her son. And drop a like and ring that bell if you haven't.
Alright guys, so I am back and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!